The Lincoln Magnum 100L Welding Torch offers excellent performance with its 100 ampere capacity and 10-foot cable, making it a reliable replacement for the Lincoln Magnum 100L Cave 30-6. Its high-quality copper cable ensures superior conductivity and durability, providing an efficient and long-lasting welding experience. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this welding torch offers unmatched comfort and an easy-to-use trigger mechanism for effortless control. It is compatible with a wide range of Lincoln welding models, including the Easy Core, Power-MIG, and Pro-MIG series, ensuring versatility in various applications. The package includes a welding gun with a .030-inch diameter tip and additional .035-inch tips, providing flexibility for different welding needs. Manufactured by Arc Captain, this welding torch guarantees exceptional quality and enhanced welding capabilities for both professionals and hobbyists.